Hello everyone, this is Daryl, your family tree guy. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is the family index feature and how to use it. Let's go to the family tree. All right, so you want a brief summary of as many individuals as possible. Let's say, for instance, you want to find an individual's name. You go into the last name section for the most part and search that way, but it's only going to give you the name. All right, but if you want a little more information, you can either go to the site. Where is it at? Give me a second. The site map, or simply hit people. I'm already in people, and I'm hit name index, and I'm in the main index. And as you can see, not only do I see the name, I will see the birthday, or at least the year, a little more information. So let's go here. You got a basic view and you have a detailed view. Okay, detailed view. Then I'm gonna zoom in. Let's find my name. G. Okay, now I'm in the G's. Now I'm looking for the grams. GRAHAM, 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 DARYL, 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 Daryl. There we go. Now I found my name, and as you can see, that's what you get. And all of that, blah, 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 information. So if you try another name, all right, let me see. Let me look up my paternal grandmother. All right, Young. Y-O. I'm in the Youngs. Okay. Now, and you can do this. Y-O-U. If you want to look for a particular pedigree or last name, I'll show you. Let me see. Mauritius. There we go, grandmother. As you can see, that information. And if I want a little more information, I go there and get it from there. Okay. Okay. Now, let's say if you're looking for a surname, let's use the Dodd side of the family. So I'm going to click the Dodd for the D's. Now, if I want to make sure that all the Dards are listed, let's say, for instance, DODD, DODD, DOD. I look for all the Dards and see who's missing. All right. If I look for all the, let's say, Brunsons, if I'm looking for the Brunsons to see which Brunson is missing, I look for the B's, the Brunsons. Okay, Brunsons. Go down till I get to the Brunsons. Brunsons. Okay, well, there's Bonapartes. We'll see which Bonaparte is missing. That's a common name. We have Bonds. We have, let me see, but right now I'm looking for, we have branches. Which branches are missing? Brunson. There go to Brunson. So you will look down a list and see which Brunson is missing. Okay, let me try Williams. And again, this is all located in the index. So you go into people, then you click name index. So let's look for Williams. And if there's a Williams missing, well, you want to check for all the Williams and you want to see which Williams is missing. There we go with Waddell's. If you wanted to make sure all the Waddells are there, you would check for the Waddell. So Williams, 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 Williams. Here we go. So we have a whole list of Williams. And if you're looking for your name and your last name is Williams, and if your first name starts with a Z, well, you go all the way down to the Z's. And if you don't see your name, then if you're an administrator, you would add it. But 100% of the time, not in the 100%, but 9 out of 10, if you're adding a name, you are already listed. And that's 99.9% of the time. If you're not an administrator and your name is missing, well, you either become an administrator or ask an administrator to add your name wherever it should go. So that's how you use the the name index feature. And again, you have the basic, and here that's the basic view. So if I click someone for the basic view, let's say my cousin Dean. If I click the basic view, that's the basic view. Now, let's say, for instance, I want to add the detailed view. Oh, I got to close that. Now, detailed view. All right, who we got here? I say Dean. Dean. Oh, that's Dina, his daughter. That's the detailed view. And we can use this. Click go. It'll take you straight to that page. And there's Dina's page. Thank you for watching. Any questions? Give me a buzz. Thank you.